যে ওথ টেকিং এবং হোয়াইট বোর্ড সেরিমনির অনুষ্ঠান, এখানে যার আহ্বানে আমি উপস্থিত হয়েছি শ্রদ্ধেয় ডক্টর দিলীপ চৌধুরী মহাশয়, তার আন্তরিক প্রচেষ্টায় আজকে আমাদের জেলার বিভিন্ন মেডিকেল কলেজ কাজ তিনি যেভাবে করে চলেছেন আমরা তার প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করি। তো আজকে যারা শপথ দেবেন সেই সমস্ত আমার স্টুডেন্টদের প্রতি একটাই আহ্বান, আজকে যে শপথটা নেবেন সেটা জীবনে তাদের চলার পথে হবে মানুষের জন্য, সমাজের জন্য, পরিবারের জন্য, এবং তাদের জীবনের চলার পথ আদৌ সুদৃঢ় হবে, সুগম হবে, এবং যে উদ্দেশ্যে তারা আজকে শপথ দেবে সেই উদ্দেশ্য তাদের সার্থক হবে এই আশা এবং এই প্রত্যাশা রাখি, তাদের শুভকামনা জানাই।
Our first batch of MBBS students 2024-25 academic year in KIMS Krishnanagar coming across India. It's my honor and privilege to welcome you all in this momentous occasion, the White Coat ceremony, as the first principal of this college. I joined this medical college on 19/12/2023. During my 10 years of 11 months and 12 years service in this institute, KIMS, as a first principal, from mere presence of building of a nursing college and Minerva DS Hospital, nursing home with almost nil infrastructure for a medical college, to now be something as an UG medical college under letter of permission of NMC of 100 MBBS seats and already admitted 100 MBBS students. So from almost nothing in 2023 December to November 2024, that is by 11 month time, the KIMS achieved something.
Actually, the White Coat ceremony is an initiation. You need, every profession has got an initiation, like when you start the music or in any other professional institution. Now this white coat actually symbolizes the purity of mind, purity of work, and you repel all the bad things and absorb the good one, and that good one should be delivered to the community. So this is actually the meaning of the white coat. So this is my strong faith that is a good medical college in the West Bengal, and later on when you will proceed for any work, that is the innovative work, then you can also get help from the teacher like the ICMR project, etc.
To welcome you all to this great occasion of White Coat ceremony from the chair of Joint Director of Medical Education. I am thankful to all the officials and organizers for providing me the opportunity to bless you in this auspicious occasion. I would like to congratulate each one of you on arriving at this milestone in your career. As you walk across this stage to receive your white coat today, your journey in medicine will begin. In the words of Sir William Osler, the practice of medicine is an art, not a trade, a calling, not a business. I think you will take that commitment to lifelong service of humanity with blessings. Professor Dr. Kaushik Kaur, Joint Director of Medical Education, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of West Bengal.
So why white coat? This is a symbol of a doctor. In an hospital, they must use that apron. Okay, so that is very important things. And for you, I just mentioned, you are the health specialist. Okay, so WHO says it is a perfect state of social, then mental, then physical well-being. So my dear students, from the very beginning, I will congratulate all of you. Why? Because you come to the profession, which is the noble profession of the society. And Indian Constitution, after doing MBBS, you are all considered as first-class citizen of India. so your class will be improved. With this word, I will just finish. I welcome you to this noble profession. Okay, so I will
to welcome each of you to the white coat ceremony. A significant and symbolic event in the life of our students. Today marks the beginning of an incredible journey, one that is rooted in commitment, compassion, and the pursuit of excellence in medical field. Together, let us celebrate this momentous occasion and the bright future that lies ahead. At the end, I want to mention that according to the NMC of the MBBS course, we want to have a IMG with global standard. IMG means Indian Medical Graduate with a global standard. I thank to my Director Chairman Dr. Dilip Chaudhary to establish such a noble college at Krishnanagar, Putules Desh.
The first and foremost is you will have people asking you, যে ভালো ডাক্তার কে? তো ভালো ডাক্তার হচ্ছে সে যে যার মধ্যে কিছু কিছু বেসিক কোয়ালিটিজ আছে। First is compassion, knowing how to listen to patients' queries, and কি হয়েছে সেটা বোঝার আগে তার প্রতি sympathetic একটা hearing দেয়া। So hearing is the most important thing. You have to listen compassionately to your patients. You have to listen to their complaints very well. Next, as a doctor, if you want to be successful, no matter in which line you are, in which stream you are, be it in academics, be it as a professional, first and foremost is you have to be very hardworking. আমাদের ডাক্তারিতে তুই দেখবি যেই নাম করেছে যে ইয়ে করেছে বেসিক হার্ড ওয়ার্ক কিন্তু সে দিয়েছে। ইট ইজ লেস অফ দ্য মাইন্ড, এটাতে বিশাল বুদ্ধি লাগে না, বিশাল ইন্টেলেকচুয়াল লাগে না, কিন্তু সিনসিয়ারিটি, হার্ড ওয়ার্ক এন্ড ডেডিকেশন, দিস আর দ্য পিলার্স অফ সাকসেস। ইফ you can follow these, then all of you will be good doctors.
है वतन